Why? Sometimes I don't know. Sometimes I'm lucky, but sometimes it's a very unlucky girl. So from from Saturday, I've been hunting this top from this specific store, right? The store upon Mullines Road. I'm not really that familiar with the stores on Mullines Road, to be very honest. I don't like going on Mullines Road, like, cause them kind of drive mad around there when I'm ready. Right? And some say, may I go to the store from Saturday? I go have on my GPS, I miss the turn. So I get vexed and go home. I say, alright, we are reattempt it Monday. Clean slate. I need the shirt for tomorrow. I'm going to a Pepsi event tomorrow and I need the shirt to complete our outfit. Not a shirt, a top. So I say, alright, may I go today? Why am I go today? Get parking and everything, and it's a very tiny, like, it's not tiny, but there's like only 4 parking spaces. I was lucky enough to get the last one. Why am I got it on the store lock? It's 2:10 on a Monday. Some say maybe it's one of those stores that don't open on Monday. I go on the Instagram page, innocent nothing but not open on Monday, and they're posting in their story. I'm looking at the empty shop. I stand up there for about 10 minutes. I press the buzzer, nothing. So I'm gonna tell the security, if it was a case where they were on lunch, because him see, you know how them security were like, him know about the plaza, like him basically run off the plaza. Him ask me if I get you, I tell him, yo, whatever, them not open, whatever. It's like, oh man. One owner run business and it's a known person store too. But that's not the reason why I was going there. I was going there because they had something that I wanted. Big Monday and the store not open, no open today. I'm upset, so I have to spin around in a half a tree to come find something. Hopefully I find something because I don't like shopping in store. It's too overwhelming for me. I don't like do it. It's like I can't see the something them, and then this nail I broke me. I forgot to glue it up. That's so calm. So I ended up just buying a graphic t-shirt. I'm going to have to cut it up. I am going to have to cut it up because it's not going to give the vibe that I want if it stays in its current state. My lip is dripping so much and I cannot bite it off for whatever reason. So if you see that, just ignore it, please. I'm gonna get something, you know. I'm pretty annoyed. Like, I am annoyed. Like, my go to my way for go to your store. Can't start off the vlog, so positivity. Because guess what? Me I gotta see my baby father this weekend. My baby father come look for me. And me I go look for him too. Cause you don't know me, it's like him and Chris Brown. I'm my baby father. Yeah, and I'm going to see Bookie on Sunday. Yeah. So I have 2 events this week. Love that for me. I really do. Love that for me. I already have my outfit. Listen, from the day I know I got Chris Brown, I bought my outfit. My outfit been sitting down in the closet waiting. Yeah. I'm gonna see my babes. But I'm gonna go get something to eat now. And yeah. So I'll see you guys. Can you remember the rain? I have to give thanks for small mercies. You know the KFC line is very short. I buy one zinger one day and it really have me head going because I can't tell when I eat one zinger, because every time before that last time I bought it, and the last time the meat was pink and it didn't taste right, so I decided that I wasn't going to buy it anymore. But then I buy it last week and boy oh boy was it busting. So I kind of have a little craving, if you know. So I'm going to get one of that and pick up mommy and go home. Yeah. Hey you all, so remember how I told you I would have to cut up the shirt? This is what I did. Slit in the middle, slit on the arms, and I have this mesh black like shirt under it, and I'm wearing some like loose-ish type of jeans. I have my white sneakers to put on, but I'm not going to put it on until I reach the event because I don't like driving in sneakers. So yeah, this is the outfit. I'm gonna go ahead and do you like my makeup? Let me know. Last time somebody was like, oh, I like your makeup today. My makeup always looks so, I'm not sure to say. Not just anyways, yeah, this is the face so we're working with. The event is happening at Hope Gardens. My hair kind of look slick a bit because it won't come up, but yeah, I'm gonna go put on my couscous and get my stuff together and head out. The event has started already. I don't know if people are there because you know Jamaica people stay, but I'm going an hour later than the invite said. So yeah, this is the doll. My nails keep on breaking. These two broke today. I'm actually going to glue them on. Before I leave. So yeah. Come right, Tessa. Oh yeah, go up there. Right, Tessa.
Beyonce concert, right?
This is a new date, couple days later. It's the weekend. It's Friday. I don't know what my problem is, but every time I'm supposed to do something fun, this is a discouraging spirit creeps in and I just lose all excitement. Like, it's so annoying.
Girl, shut the up. You thought you ate that?
I don't know if it's because my cycle is close or what, but I am completely out. I'm so out of it. I'm supposed to be washing my hair today and I really don't feel like it. I'm gonna go grocery shopping because the house is really dry. I want to go to Fontana. I'm gonna go to Fontana to buy some press-on nails because I took my nails off. They kept on breaking. I say, you know, I'm not gonna put up with this. And by the time I was supposed to, but when them start break off, I say, alright, I'm gonna book with my nail tech. She's completely booked out for the rest of the week. So my last resort is to get some press-ons, and I'm gonna go to Fontana to get those. And I can't believe, say, Tuesday, my orthodontist office called me. I was like, oh, you want to come in for your extraction tomorrow? I said, no. Why you don't want me to go look for the people, man? Chris when me attack. With my face puff up, on the outside, on the very outside, like, would the door respect me? Or the door respect what I have going on in my life? What you mean come tomorrow? I said no, next week. So I'm going to be getting that done next week. I already maga down like thread because my eating schedule has been so bad and it's gonna get worse because I'm gonna take out the two of them one time. So yeah. These are the press-on options they have. I'm conflicted. This one is nice, but it's not the vibe that I'm going for. Is this focusing? I don't even know, but that's not the vibe that I'm going for. I had to take in consideration the size of my fingers, and these are the only ones that look like they will fit. So these are the ones that I am going with. all that, oh, I feel demotivated talk. I was just hungry. Oh my god, I'm so embarrassing. I was just hungry. Like, why me have to be so extra and do the most? All I needed was some food in my belly, and I'm good again. We were grocery shopping, and the women's 200-meter finals, because you know, so world championship time came on. And you want to see everybody, including us, barricade up in the supermarket with the Charlie them for watch race. Good things to Sharika win. Else, me I tell you, say, I would have something different in the supermarket today. Then we stand up, we see say the men's 400, I believe, did I go run. So we stop and say, alright, make a watch. But then the guy him fall back. But remember me that telling about that lip oil something here? Honestly, it feels nice for my lips, but more the bright again because they made this too small and they made the one too thick. So in the space of 1 week, if you use it consistently, it's going to be finished. So I don't like that. I never remember say this did in my bag, and I was supposed to get back to you guys on it for a while, but just keep on forget. I keep on have dead skin on my lips here, and it's because I can't bite. I can't bite my lips anymore, yeah. I really don't feel like to wash my ear today though. That's the one thing that's standing true. Go mom, watch a look a movie. Oh my god, grocery shopping was a success. Did not break the bank today. I put my foot down. I was like, I'm not buying a one bagger. Me have a little dirty style. Every little snack I see, I want it. So I did not buy any snacks today. I didn't even buy my baby the best Dixie guava biscuit. Not even that I buy today. I put down my foot and there was a drastic difference in the bill. I don't know if I because the lady, she did kind of distracted because the race just done. No, but like the stuff on the belt, they were very small compared to regular times. So yeah, I hope to keep it that way, because I said something gotta give. I came into this week's grocery shopping with a budget. I'm like, it should not ask this. And I can't believe so that press on nails was $3,000. I mean, it's better than Fuga nail tech, because you know nowadays nail tech be a $7,000 and them money there. But this is what I got. Why is this old man staring at me, bro, and looking at me all crazy with it? Like, I will fight you, my bones tussle. I fix up your face when you look for me. Oh, that me I tell you. Anyways, I forgot shape them a little bit better because it's giving almond vibes and I don't like almond nails, so we're gonna put this on tomorrow after my ear wash and everything. It's giving my hair is going to be washed tomorrow. I don't know why. Mommy, I buy something and she made whip on for come go home. So yeah.
Or Sharika Jackson produced a stunning run to win World 200 meters gold at the World Athletics Championships.
So I decided, mommy, I talked to someone by the way. Sometimes in our life we're a little bit too lazy, and I was being lazy. So I'm gonna wash my ear. It's still saturated. I'm gonna wash my ear. I'm not excited about it, but I'm gonna go under the dryer when I'm done. So it can't dry because I don't like sleep on damp ear. I don't like smell damp ear. It have this little smell, this little moldy smell, but I don't like. So mommy's talking about the race. But yeah, I'm gonna wash my ear now. I wish I could show you guys, but the washroom lighting is poor. It is so bad. So yeah, wash my little head, wash my little dirty head. My ear dirty head, girl, dirty. But yeah, my bina say, oh, Chris Brown could call me up on stage for give me the lap dance for take it on. I wanna take it on. I really wanna take it. Yeah, that song there. But I know some is not necessarily Chris Brown type. So a guy have to come through panda one for me because that would just make my hair golden. But be that up, anybody who have ears for ear, I've been telling them that I am gonna be the girl up on the stage. By the way, I have the Indigo tickets, so I'm gonna go right up at the front, right up there, and I'm going alone because I'm gonna go look for my baby father. So I need to, yeah, might link up 1 and 2 people, but I'm not sure. As of right now, I'm going alone. Yeah. The hair is washed. Am I annoyed? I am annoyed. Why is it that at 6:03 I found out that my band collection was to do? Why did I find that out at 6:03? And let me tell you how that happened. Because the page posted, my hair is wrapped up because, yeah, I don't want it down on me. Don't mind me. It's in a t-shirt. Why did I find out at 6:03 that the collection was from 10 to 6 today? Mind you, I was pretty close. I was really close to AC Hotel. Could I just swing by and collect my band if I did not say I saw, because I have to collect my band and the parking pass for stadium. And why the page posted at 12 o'clock that the collection for the bands are 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Tell me if that makes sense. This should have been posted from Wednesday, at least Wednesday, and I found out from someone's story. I saw them with the band and I'm like, what the hell? How them have band? Go up on the page story and see that, oh, band collection was today and the collection continues tomorrow. But my thing is, oh my god, it's so annoying to me that I can't bite it off. Tomorrow is collection as well, right? But tomorrow is gonna be full. I know it in my spirit that tomorrow is gonna be full. I'm just gonna go from early. I'm just going to go from well early and collect it and come back. I'm so mad because I was right there. I was there. I wasn't at AC Hotel, but I was right there, bro. And suppose I never did see the press story, wouldn't know what's the band collection I go on, and me would have go stadium on Sunday and them might tell me so I can't go in. That's what would have happened. So I'm going to have to go tomorrow. Bright side, I'm gonna see my babes. I'm going to see my babes. So I look crazy right now, but you know, so this is a part of the upgrade process. I don't have no nails, I don't have nothing, but Ital. The Dan is Ital. She's Ital right now. But catch my back Sunday. I'm about to go and pick up my band. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to wash the car because it is so overcast. I cannot see the sun. But at the same time, it is early. So I don't know if the conditions might change throughout the day, but as of right now, it's not looking promising for the car wash.
Big lie, live life, the trafficking. Who did power for trafficking? Hockey dip. Kami aja banana naman mga men naman sa ninaari. Benak, pare wala din makamalansya naman na pasade. Ang makanis sa tiket ko na yung ahati. Operator shit. Ano daw siya? Manood at akas. Ano ba din mo? Kami ng takagi. Awayan mo na ng madag na sabi. Hulapan.
Guys, if you physically possibly can, please ignore the background. Mommy is watching World Championships with the TV for 100. Why are Jamaican parents like this? Like, I just have one quick question. I want to know what these event planners, these I don't know, anybody will put on an event and it has to do with drinking or collecting a band. Why is this the first souvenir they can think of? You know, I would have appreciated a t-shirt with like busier weekend and Chris Brown face on it. I could have appreciated that, but this, I have about 100 cup in my cupboard, but I don't drink from. We're branded by events. It's annoying. I would accept a little t-shirt. I'm not telling a lie. I see some other people get basket with snacks. Me never get that personally. Clearly, I'm not important enough. But never get that. I just get the cup, my band, and my parking pass. But this is so annoying to me because I know I'm not going to use this. I could have taken a t-shirt with him face and the busier weekend on it. Annoying. Anyways, I'm signing out for the day, I think. I'll see you guys tomorrow, I think. Not I think, I know. I said I think because I just might put on my personal nails today. So, I might see you guys again. So, you don't know what you did.
The party, he just wanna rump. Big boobs in the bus, they plump. She a baddie, she know she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like ice, how you always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. She a baddie with her baddie friend. She a baddie with her baddie friend. She a baddie with her baddie friend. She a baddie, she know she a 10. Pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Pretty face and a waist all gone. Like damn, she in her mood. She a baddie with her baddie friend. She a baddie with her baddie friend. She a baddie with her baddie friend. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. Pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on.
The nails are done. Well guys, can you see them? Yeah. Are my fingers glued to the gods? Yes they are. Do we care? No we don't. Will I have trouble snapping with this finger tomorrow? I might, but the nails are done. I put some top coat on them at the end just because the glue kind of took away some of the shine, like when I was touching them with fingers that had on glue. But we did it. They feel secure. Hopefully them not shame me. Hopefully they don't shame me. I wanted a more square shape than what it's giving, but I guess it's fine. It's just temporary anyways. Like this one is really smudged. I don't know if you guys can see. It's really smudged, but the nails are done and I am signing out for real now. So see you guys see you guys on Chris Brown's Sunday. Yes, it's God's Sunday too. It's Holy Sunday. People nobody we don't know negativity in the comments. I beg, I do, because half of y'all aren't real Christians anyway. I said what I said. Bye, see you tomorrow. Chris Brown Sunday, I woke up Chris breezy. Oh my god, man. Guys, I am so excited. I'm still into my night, but not too much now, because I saw time for my baby to start get ready. You don't know as a papa. Guys, like my heart feel heavy. That's my outfit around there by the way, but I'm not supposed to that. My heart feel heavy because I built up so much expectation. Like I fully believe within my heart that I'm going to be the girl that he calls on to give the Take Me Down lap dance, and I swear to you, if that man does not call on me, I will bust out in tears. That's how serious it is right now. But be that tell everybody say I mean the man I got call up and I tell her say if him call upon next guy, me I bend down, me I unlace my shoes and fling it off of the two of them. Me I fling it off of, I say man, the way all my heart feel right now, this is not even a joke, like I'm not even trying to be funny, but the way my heart feel right now, if you look up, I probably like shed out one tear for true, like serious something. Emotion could have feel my heart. From the day this man has been doing this Indigo tour and I've been seeing him giving these girls the lap dances, I've been saying in my mind, I wonder what that would be like. I would like to be that girl in that chair. And when I found out he was coming to Jamaica and then I got this band, I was like, oh yeah baby, it's up and it's stuck. You gotta pick me. And I know the dress code for his concert. Like I've been following this concert from the day, this tour from the day it starts, and it's like I just feel like I'm deserving. Like I know all your songs, Bookie. I should be the baby that you take down. I really wanna take it down. Show you what I'm about. Please, like please. Anyways, I'm going to start getting ready at 2:30. After which I'm going to take mommy to AC Hotel. I don't think I told you guys this before. I'm taking mommy to AC Hotel to take my pictures. Then I'm dropping her back home. And then I'm actually going with someone now. You guys remember Kans? Yeah, she got a last minute ticket and she's coming with me. So I'm gonna pick her up and then we're gonna head to the stadium. The rain is threatening me right now. I don't know why the cloud them turn up like soldier today, but they need to scoot over a little bit or release themselves and go. Like I'm so serious. I'll see you guys when I get here. I'm trying to do so many things at once and time is running out on me. This is the hair, this is the makeup, this is the outfit. We're going to head to AC Hotel to take my pictures and then we're going to come back to pick up my date to head to the concert. Okay. I also have my glass. Just pause. Un momento.
Summer too high. Fucking Robitussin. I don't know how this shit got me lazy right now. Yeah. Can't do sets of my leg. I'm 21, trying to live it up. Yeah, right, baby. Yeah, right, yeah. Bring it over to my place. You be high, baby. Yeah, so I know you.
Alright, guys. Me a follow Kans. This the fit, right? I just carry this simple little black bag, nothing too serious. I have my BCR weekend cup and we're going inside. Huh? Yeah.
Here we go. Me and Jay Jackson. Hey, Chinese man.
Said I was scared to approach, now there you can. Hoping you would give me up. Who would have never knew that we would never be more than friends? So railroad boy, breaking all the rules. Tell me I'm not what you need.
Your mind is altered. I can see it. Your addictions, your desires became enemies. You are now under the influence. Oh yeah, girl, what did you do to me? What did you say about me like a girl? 'Cause I want you, oh yeah. I Wait up, you need to sweat hole, cause I feel like sweetheart. I'm so mad that you're mine. You are one of a kind. You need me, but I need you. And baby, there is nothing we won't do. I need you, I need money, I need all. Still you my heart. You need go. I need money for you, baby. What else to do? We can't be busy, can't be
You know, we should be apart, baby. I just can't do it. I just can't do it. Listen to your heart. You know, we should be apart, baby. I just can't do it. And sometimes it makes me wanna cry. Do you hear me crying? Let's go. This never
I'm home. As you guys can see, I cried, I danced, I had a time. It was fun. It was really and truly fun. But the one thing, I did too much friends. I know it's a Christmas and friends, but good God, too much friends. Every artist in Jamaica get a feature. My foot hurt me and the sneakers I wear. Like, Christmas was supposed to come at 9:30, he came on after 12. Now, I didn't kind of expect that because at the end of the day, Jamaica was there. But still, man, too much friends. And then artists are bringing on artists and then nobody not even real the half of the initial artists and they were bringing artists so the people don't know. Like, excuse me? We have a time crunch here. We came to see Chris Brown, but his performance was really good, as you guys saw. And except for the part where he never called me up for take me down. But anyways, that's where I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite part down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Right, I'm tired.